3 plus 7 parenthesis 7 minus 5. 3 plus 7 will give us 10. Then we have 10 parenthesis 7 minus 5. Then in our parenthesis, 7 minus 5 will give us 2. Then we have 10 times 2. 10 times 2 is equals to 20. 20 is the wrong answer to this question because we did not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from your left to your right in order to arrive in a very correct answer. Let us solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we are going to solve our parentheses because it comes first before addition. In our parentheses, we have 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 will give us 2. Then we have 3 plus 7 times 2. Remember, if a number is close to a parenthesis, note that there is a multiplication sign in between, which is this multiplication sign here. Now, we have an addition and a multiplication. We are going to work with our multiplication first because it comes first before addition. 7 times 2 will give us 14. 3 plus 14 will give us 17. 17 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.